Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to discuss about HiDream. So I've been testing this new AI model called HiDream E1, and it's like having ChatGPT's image editing but running right on your own computer. It's not as powerful as the cloud versions, but let me show you what it can do. Change parts of an image, tweak styles, replace text, or even remove objects, all with simple text instructions. So there are a few ways to try HiDream E1, like using their Gradio interface or Hugging Face spaces if your GPU isn't strong enough. Even with the smaller GGUF files, you will still need about 16 GB of VRAM to run it smoothly. Today, I am using ComfyUI to test it out. If you are new to ComfyUI or HiDream, check my previous videos for setup and links are given in the description box. So first, grab the free ComfyUI HiDream workflow. You can comfyuiblog.com. If you have used HiDream before, most files will already be there. So there are multiple models available here in FP8, FP16 or BF16. So based on your systems, you can download from here and save it in your diffusion models folder, and the rest of the setup matching my older HiDream videos. The full model is slower because it uses negative conditioning thanks to the CFG being above 2. So the prompt here is convert to anime style and a bunch of other specifics. One thing to note, this version has a resolution limit. I get 768 by 1152 to work sometimes, but most of the time you will want to stick with a square 768 by 768 image. Not ideal, but it is what it is for now. The custom sampler uses instruct pix-to-pix conditioning and a dual CFG guider, which means you are dealing with 3 sets of conditioning. It takes time to generate the image. If you are tight on VRAM, there are GGUF files available too. Some of these can fit into 16 GB, and if you are on Windows with an NVIDIA card, you might even run it in slow mode, which is worth a try. Now, how to remove unwanted content from the image. So for this text problem on the t-shirt, and if you want to remove it, you just have to click right on the image, copy that and go to load image and paste it by pressing Ctrl V. Next, you have to go and mention remove the design from the t-shirt. And now, as a result, it has successfully removed the unwanted text from the t-shirt. Now the output looks solid, but let's see if we can speed things up. Dropping the steps from 20 to 18 or 16, shaved off some seconds. It can save some time of yours. The quality still pretty good. Next, I swapped the input image and kept my prompt as converted into Ghibli style. And now by seeing the result, I can say it has successfully converted into Ghibli style. Now let's tweak the workflow for faster results. I stripped out some nodes, swapped in a regular K sampler and adjusted the settings 8 to 20 steps, CFG at 2.5 and sampler as UniPC. That cut the time down to about 30 seconds per image. So here you can see we are getting two things. The results is very good. Side by side, we are saving some time. I wanted to see how far we could push the speed without losing too much quality. So here I tried with 15 steps from 20, and as a result we have got the good one. You can see it's in Ghibli style. So if you are stuck with lower VRAM, the GGUF files like the Q6 work fine. So if you are stuck with lower VRAM, the GGUF files like the Q6 work fine. You'll need the custom GGUF loader node to use them. Now that we have got the workflow running faster, let's test some of more creative edges of what HiDream E1 can do. So here I started with this 3D image and asked it to transform its hoodie's color into red. And for this, convert hoodie color to red using Q6 model. So let's wait for the results. Now, as you can see, it has followed the prompt and changed the hoodie's color into red. Now, let's try something with adding objects into this image and gave the prompt as add sunglasses. And here you can see this is the final result which we have got. It has added the sunglasses to the image. And you can see it looks fine, but if you want more experience with it, you can always try another examples. So that's all for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel if you like this one. Happy generating. Bye bye.